This is a 1979 Porsche 930 Turbo. The exciting shape of this car is known the world over as the ultimate example of what a sports car should be. This 930 was recently treated to a full glass-out respray in its original silver metallic, as well as an engine-out reseal done to factory specs including head studs. The very low mileage of 38,521 is original and adds to the overall value of this very special car. She even retains her original spare and jack. It's time for someone to drive and enjoy this true classic. Gaudin Porsche of Las Vegas is proud to be the very first Porsche certified classic partner in North America.